Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Fcps Part 1 Dentistry. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and content. This foundational step ensures you focus your efforts effectively. Next, identify the core subjects that carry the most weight, such as general anatomy and physiology, and dedicate ample time to mastering them. Finally, develop a practical study timetable and commit to following it daily for optimal progress. To maximize your learning, incorporate active recall into your routine. Instead of passively reading, test yourself frequently on what you've learned. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify memory. Regularly attempting past papers and mock exams is crucial. It helps you understand the exam pattern and manage time effectively. Also, consider joining a study group to discuss challenging topics and gain new perspectives. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Quick recommendation: staying organized is key, even with your meals. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your study snacks fresh and your lunch ready. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Choosing the right study materials is key. Instead of accumulating many books, select a few comprehensive and reliable textbooks, then master their content. Beyond academics, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, eat nutritious meals, and take short breaks to avoid burnout. A positive mindset is invaluable. Manage stress through relaxation techniques and remind yourself of your goals to stay motivated during this challenging journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.